Hi everybody, my name's Mike. This will be my first attempt at trying to make a video, and it seems I have a little bit of a problem with my tractor. Got a door latch that the thing kind of broke on me. So you got your typical latch on here, and the latch on the inside. I already drilled out the crimps on it, but this little thing here broke, so I couldn't open the door. But you can see where that line is. It's broke right off. I just got it glued together with crazy glue just so it'll hold it together because I don't have enough hands. But we're gonna attempt to try this YouTube thing out and see if we make a video and see if I can't come up with some solution to make a new latch mechanism, because these things are no longer available from the dealer, and they haven't been available for some time now. And yeah, I'm sure some dealers may have some, but my local dealers, I shopped around and I checked the wrecking yard and I couldn't find anything that was even worthy of salvaging for this particular tractor. However, so I got a chunk of scrap metal here, and I'm gonna lop off a chunk. It's let's see, I'll show you. It's just a little chunk of old, very old axle, buggy axle, but it's kind of the right dimension, kind of, sort of, and I'm gonna basically kind of lop it off and see what I can do with it. Stick it in the lathe and see if I can't make myself a new part. Okay, I'm gonna put you on hold. I'm gonna go lop off a chunk here and we'll see how this fares out. You know, first time trying out a video, and we'll try out this here repair and see how well it works. Okay, we'll get back to you in a bit. Well, I got it all set up in the chuck here, kind of offset, and we're just gonna, I just put a center punch hole and just lined up with the dead center or live center on the tailstock, and that's close enough for what I'm making, and it's not going out in space or anything like that. So I'm gonna drill a hole, and then I'll start turning it down and kind of show you how it looks after a bit. All right, we'll be back. Well, I got the thing, got the hole drilled in this thing, and took a few passes off of it. And now it's got a little bit more to take off, and then we'll have to do some grinding after the fact, but for now, we'll take a few more passes off, and then I'll bring you back after. This lathe does not like the interrupted cuts at all. making a little bit of headway on it, so I'll continue on with this here past here until I get it sized, and then bring you back when I need to clock the square drive hole. And all I'm going to do is to use I don't have a square broach for it, so I'm going to end up having to just use a 1/4 inch. It's a 5/16 hole and a 5/16 square drive for the handle, so I guess I'm just going to use a 1/4 inch high-speed steel bit and just stick it in my tool holder and just push it through on the lathe here once I get to that point. Okay, we'll bring you back in a while, I guess. Well, I got this thing turned down. Now it's time for me to just use a piece of 1/4 inch high-speed steel tool blank and just kind of sharpen up a little bit better, and I'm just going to put it in one of my holders, and I kind of clock this thing so it's sort of level for now, and so that way that's where I'm going to index it to. And now you're just going to grind off a little bit, but I'm just going to stick this in my holder here. And since I don't have these expensive brooches, I guess this is my way of doing this. So I just keep feeding it through. So now I can feed it in a couple thousands. A little more. There we go. Now it's starting to take a few chips out at a time, and then I'm just gonna rotate the thing around a little bit. And oops, sorry if I'm getting in your guys' way here. Just kind of level it to the next bottom of the square, and just keep pushing a little chip through, I guess. It'll be time consuming, but I'll just keep going round and round and a little bit at a time. I just figured the way I got this thing rotated in the chuck and where my indexing is going to be, it'll be off to the kind of one side. So I got a little bit of grind to do on one side, but a little bit more I'll probably cut some off on the with a zip wheel or something and take it a little faster and then grind off the rest. It's hard to get this thing lined up here, so a little truck doesn't exactly spin that freely, so and I'll keep going round and round until I get this 5/16 tool blank through it, because that's the size of the shaft. So I'll continue on with this, and I'll bring you back when I got some more delt on it. Okay, I'm going to see you in a bit. Well guys, I'm back. I got to this point now where I had to do a little bit of filing, but I do got my square drive to slide through, and so now where I kind of scribed it out. So I'm going to just take the grinder with a zip wheel, and I'm going to trim it off some and do a little bit of grinding and see how that works. Had to get a glove. She's a little bit warm. I'll lop off this other side and I'll bring you back when I grind it down some more. Well, she's a little bit warm, so you let this thing cool off a little bit, and then I'll go grind some more of this stuff off, and I'll bring you back when I get some more ground off. Well, we ground some of this off, and I guess I got a little bit more grinding to do. It's got to come up a little higher, and it doesn't want to turn all the way in yet. So take the spring out, but we kind of got a little bit of something there anyway. I'm going to pull the handle off here, but let's kind of get the picture with that. I just got to trim off that top so it goes a little higher and hollow out that bottom, and I think we might got something that looks like the other one. Alrighty, well, I guess I'll do some more trimming and I'll come back with the finished product in a bit. Well, I guess I'll have to just do a little bit more grinding, and I'll just touch it up, and I guess I'll bring it back when I get it fitted a little bit better. Well guys, I think we have ourselves a winner. Here's the good old broken piece. My crazy glue finally let go. But that's what it looks like then. And this is my new part. And it just fits in there. And you got your little latch mechanism. And your spring goes underneath here. And then the plate. And now we have a working latch once again. So I guess it was quite possible to make one of these, and hopefully it helps some people that you know, can't get parts nowadays. You figure out a way to make parts yourself, and I guess that's what we do in our do-it-yourself world now. But anyways, I am going to go and park myself in front of the fire and finish my tea. I just loaded up the stove here, and we're gonna sit there and keep warm. It's cold outside right now. It's like -10 Celsius right now. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped somebody. Bye for now.